Hey guys, it's Michelle, and Michelle wants a color change. She wants to go from blue and purple to pink. But unfortunately, I know the minute I remove this purple, it's gonna go green. So we gotta deal with the color in the middle. So stay tuned to see what I do. Hey guys, welcome to Hair Toots. Light, raw, real, and diverse hair education. I help hairstylists become better hairstylists. Okay guys, here we go. So we are going in with Guy Tang, Big 9, and Olaplex in 20 volumes. So she does have the underneath shave, but it still doesn't matter. It still takes me forever to get this touch up on. I am applying 1/4 of an inch away from the scalp. And then I put these little foils because she's like a level 3, and we need to get her pretty light. So here's the thing, guys. I know you're all going to go, oh, well, she wants to go pink, and you should give your client what she wants. Well, here's the thing. I am not, and let me repeat this for the people in the back, I am not going to compromise my client's hair to dance her around the color wheel. It's not going to happen, people. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. She's going to have to deal with the color that is going to come out. And this is all in my consultation when I do people's color. I tell them, look, you cannot dance around the color wheel at all. You can't go from purple to yellow and blue to orange or orange to blue. They're opposite colors and they create brown. So we have to do it slowly to save the integrity of the hair. Now, here I am going to apply to the root area because now that it is processed to about a level 8, I'm going to go in and apply it to the roots. So it all processes cohesively. Now there's body heat in this area, and so that's why I'm going to go in and apply it to the roots after I apply it 1/4 of an inch away from the scalp. So back to the removing the color. Now I know you're all going to say, oh, there's all these color removers out there. Yeah, and it's still going to go green. And like I said, I'm not going to compromise my client's hair, okay? So I know and I will go all the ways to remove color. I even have my own way of removing color. And if you guys want to know that, I'll be more than happy to tell you. But here's the thing. Time, guys. I don't have a lot of time. And she kind of sprung this on me that she wanted this done, and we only have so much time. So as you can see, I am now pulling it through her ends. So I did the roots, I did the ends. She's fine with it being aqua in the middle of the color until we can get to pink. She's fine with the transition color. So every time I post this video of her, everybody comes hard at me. So I just want to let you know, she is fine with the aqua color, okay? So for the people in the back, she's fine with the aqua color. So hey guys, a little commercial break right here. I am offering you my free high dimension, high impact 15 foil. The link is in the description. Go ahead and click that. Give me your email. I will send it to you in your email. It is free and it is in depth. It is about 30 minutes long. It is amazing. And it's just about keeping your highlights and foils low. And this is all about my new thing. Wait for it, guys. My Neapolitan series. And in this series, you're going to get 3 looks. You're going to get a chocolate, you're going to get a strawberry, and you're going to get a vanilla. And this is going to be all in depth. And everybody's going to ask me, well, what's the difference between Hair Toots and Hair Toots Light? It is raw, real, and diverse hair education. It is brunettes, redheads, blondes, you name it, and everything in between. Guys, this is the first in my series. I am so excited to introduce it, and I can't wait for you all to get it. It is 100% everything that I do from the beginning to the end. So I can't wait for you guys to opt in for this. Now, back to Aquatic. So now we've rinsed her. We stopped oxidation with Malibu CD. I did tone her just to get a little bit of the yellow out. As you can see, it's not as brassy, but it is an even lift. I'm pretty happy with it. Now I'm going to go in with Matrix So Coat. I do put Olaplex #1 in there. Why? Because there is no effective direct dyes on the hair. I did lift to this beautiful aquatic color on the ends. Like I said, she is absolutely fine with it. So we're going to go into blue at the root. And we're just going to use an aqua color that is very similar to what is on her end. So I'm just going to go through each section and apply it just like a touch-up. Now I am going to put the aquatic color on her ends. And I do think this is dusty teal on her ends. in the Matrix So Cold. Now, guys, I don't even think you can get Matrix So Cold hardly anymore. I think they are discontinuing it. Don't mark my words. I don't work for them, and I have no affiliation with them whatsoever. But you go into the beauty supply, and everything's like marked down. You can't get it. They told me that they're having trouble getting stuff, and I call bullshit, because you cannot find it anywhere. So, Matrix, I don't know what's going on with your color, but you can't find it nowhere. So, now I'm just going to go in and add some depth to the top, leaving that halo section and the depth of the curve of the head. Got to always leave that, guys. High in the front, low in the back. I do comb it through, and then I will go through and I will feather down, leaving my brush on an angle and mushing between my fingers. I'm okay if there's a little bit of blue coming down. It just leaves for dimension. Guys, if you like and appreciate my content, don't forget to like and subscribe as well. The link's in the bio for all the things that I use, affiliates and what have you. And guys, here is her before again, those roots, and then here is the after. Wowza! It looks absolutely stunning and amazing and gorgeous. Michelle absolutely loved it. Guys, I did eventually get her to the color that she wanted, and she was absolutely fine taking the time to get there, and she loved all the colors in between. So guys, again, if you like, you know where to follow me. Elyse Rox 00 on Instagram, TikTok, here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Love you guys. See you guys on the next one. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.